Lake Wakatipu is 80 kilometers long and 378 meters at its deepest point. The 329-ton steamer Earnslaw was launched in 1912. And the captain is Lisa McElroy.
She was built to service the farming communities that were established around the shores of the lake. I've spent my life in the commercial boating industry. Started out being a skipper working with this lake when I was 21 years old. I just loved being involved with boats, and I guess I'm the type of girl that likes to take on a challenge. She's a coal-fired steamer, powered by 2 locomotive-type boilers with 2 steam engines delivering 500 horsepower. She's TSS Earnslaw, meaning twin-screw steamer, 2 propellers. Engine room crew of 3 guys, they're running the ship. You're the skipper, you're steering the ship. You work together to make that ship run. You relay what you want to the engine room. You've got to believe that those guys will return that call through the engine, and they believe that what call you're giving them is exactly what is required. Queenstown, it's the gateway to Fiordland. When you're entering that bay, you're entering at full speed. You're doing 12.4 knots. I signal through the ship's whistle, 1 long, 2 shorts. That's telling everybody that this vessel is restricted in its ability to manoeuvre, and so everybody must get out of the way of the Earnslaw. You're looking at the flags in the bay and your wind gauge on the bridge to tell you exactly what wind you're dealing with, and they can come through it up to 30 knots. I think that it's all pretty good here. I don't really need much more in my life.